The DC2 is back on the ground, moving under its own power, and it's got some new wheels. Let's go.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be
Alright, so as you can see, we finished up the day yesterday getting the drive shaft back in, and just a little defense of myself, it didn't take me all day to rebuild the drive shaft. I had to go buy tools at Astro, and then I went to Honda to check on some OEM parts, get like a price list there, because it kind of saves you guys money. If you want to order OEM Honda parts, if I go straight to Honda, it's cheaper than if you bought it off of Yahoo. So yeah, hit me up with whatever you're looking for. If you have a part number, I can get it bought and shipped to you as well. Nerd Gold JP, there's the plug, get it out of the way. But right now what we need to do is finish up the odds and ends on this thing to get it back on the ground. So we got the fuel filler neck cover. Also at Astro, I got some clips for that. And then up front, I got a cotter pin set that'll let me put cotter pins on all the ball joints and everything I took apart. Get that buttoned up. And then I got the plastics as well. I need to get in the wheel wells because they just need to go back in. And finally, I want to get the windshield washer fluid tank out so I can then clean it up, because when it was missing the old crumbled broken lid, like junk and stuff is falling down in there. It is bone dry now, so there's really gonna be no better time to get it out and clean it up and kind of start fresh. So that is the mission now, to finish up all those odds and ends and then get this thing back on the ground finally. Big thanks to my camera person, Eiley Jane. She's behind the camera there, doing an excellent job.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clown, fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
Alright, after a little lunch break in the disappearing shade with the family, thanks Shio for the food. Got the car back on the ground. Do over the shoulder shot. Back on the ground. I really want to take it for a test drive, but first, well, we'll see. Check this out. The interior is still quite a wreck just from working on everything, so I need to clean up all that. I'm not going to reassemble everything, I just want to put it somewhere safe. Passenger seat, it's just filled with junk. I gotta write down before I forget, I gotta write down my mileage for my new timing belt. But it'd be cool, since everybody's here, take everybody for a little quick rip around the block, but I gotta clean this thing out first.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break the glass, then this life's
action.
Alright, so luckily I guess the car wasn't that messy. It's just a bunch of like empty boxes and random stuff. So from the very last clean out, it's still pretty clean. I just, you know, stuff's still disassembled. We'll fix that later. But yeah, I think time to take this thing for a drive. Just one note, I did end up leaving the front plastics off up there because it's all fresh and I want to be able to see if there's leaks or whatever, and just having those off makes it really easy to kind of check and see what's going on. So I left those off for now. We can do it later, but otherwise, I mean, it's for not doing anything to the interior besides taking junk out. I think we're in a good spot. to go take it for a drive. Alright, it seems to be idling really nice. I'm going to check the temperature stuff, but I'm just going to do a little quick up and down the street real quick, test things out, and then hopefully go around the block. So, yeah, let's go. Well, you stay there, I'm going. Hey, here we go. Our steering works. Man, so like first aggressive drive on it, power steering is awesome. The engine is just so smooth, unbelievable, like peppy, whatever. Just, you know, just these little rips. It was like, it just felt so good. The tires are flat, so that's not so cool. At least that one's pretty flat, and they probably all need air, so I don't know. I don't have any way to fix that, but on the whole, I mean, this thing like truly delivers. Just felt so much better. Like the temperature's holding rock solid. Like it just came up to below middle and just stayed right there. No lights on the dash. It's just purring right now. It sounds so good. Exhaust is not annoying in those, you know, few little rips up and down the street, but holy moly, like totally different car. I am a little worried about the clutch though. It's kind of way out on there, so I don't know if it needs bled or readjusted or it's just at the end of its life. We'll get there when we get there, but holy moly, like this thing, so pumped on how good it feels right now. So yeah, I can smell, you can't smell, I can smell that it definitely is burning off, like the, you know, you touch everything, everything's fresh, so it's burning off all of that. You can smell some of that. I really hope it's not clutch. It does grab, so don't let me scare you too much, but amazing. Like this engine is just so smooth. Like I didn't even get into VTEC or anything. Like I don't even know what I revved it up to, just first, second gear. It just holds so good. So man, proper air in the tires and like a proper road and do some driving. This thing's gonna be fun. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what to do about the air in the tires. There's one thing we can do. Let's just change the wheels and tires and hope the other ones have air in it. But it's not what you're thinking.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
moly. I'm just sitting here looking at the car. It looks pretty freaking cool. I don't know what you guys think about the new wheels. I'll show you here just now, but I mocked up the lip as well just to give kind of the full illusion because it really kind of needed it just to, you know, lower the front visually. But this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do, so check this out. I think from a distance here, it's a little easier to appreciate, but with the lip on there, and obviously the parking's not level, yada, 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 but holy cow, like, those wheels, like, they actually work. So the wheels are, if you're not familiar, these are Yokohama Advan AVS Model T6, basically just AVS Model T6. What makes these really cool is the spokes are hollow. So on the back of each spoke, there's a rubber cap you pop out, and the spokes are hollow to just keep weight down. So cool design with like lots of tech built into it. Not forged, but yeah, pretty lightweight overall. That is looking pretty good right there with the lip mocked up. And these, you know, chrome on white is not, it's kind of whatever look, not my ideal choice in color of body color versus chrome wheels, but that's a cool look. I kind of really dig what's going on. Ooh, look at that. That is a pretty tough look. Like, something about this is pretty darn proper. I'm not against it at all. Look at that. Obviously, yeah, it's got some rake going on, but the lip definitely helps pull it down in the front to where it looks more visually level. Not so high in the front, but man, those look surprisingly cool. If I could lower the rear an inch, I think this would be perfection. If I'm being honest with myself and you guys though, these wheels will be for sale on Nerd Gold JP. I just can't keep them. I can't justify the cost right now. I gotta pay for shotgun and all that. I didn't think I'd love them as much as I do. So if you are interested, you know, reach out. You can DM me on Instagram or shoot me an email on the website, or yeah, I'll post them up soon. So yeah, just AVS Model T6, 17, 7.5 plus 41. And these have 205, 45 tires right now, just for visual looks of how it looks right now. Can't ship the tires, but yeah, the wheels will be up for grabs. I didn't think I would love them as much as I do. It looks pretty darn cool. Check that out. 17s on DC2s are kind of polarizing. I think 16s are pretty darn good, but this actually somehow is working. Fitment wise, yeah, they come out a little more aggressive than the NKs. You can see in the rear, they are, you know, a 10 mil spacer with a rolled lip. These are not rolled, so right now it is like probably really flush. That is flush with the body right there, but you could push it out, you know, with the tire flex and all that. Basically, I saw Model T6 and I was like, I gotta buy it, and it's in the chrome or their polish or whatever you want to call it, like their chrome look finish. So yeah, I went for it. Yeah, so anyway, it was hot. I'm wiped out. I feel really good about the way the car is driving. Sorry I didn't get any like driving in-car videos just because it's only me. I don't have a way to mount the car or mount the camera in the car. And I was kind of more worried about making sure stuff was, you know, safe around me. The car is like driving really well, idling really well. No weird check engine lights besides the gas light came on. The 20 liters or whatever we put in is, you know, not registering. But yeah, no check engine lights. My turn signals aren't working, so we'll get to explore what that's all about. Going forward, it's all just cleaning up and finalizing, like interior, exterior. This is gonna be good. So yeah, we'll wrap it there. Really appreciate you guys watching. This was a long time coming episode, and yeah, really happy we got some good payoff in it. We got the driving, we got the new wheels. We will catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Be well. What do you think, Janie?
That's super messy there. Cleaner here. And another messy pants here. And so we can't get it here.
Yep. Oh.
But we still can get it.